Hello everyone, let's now try to show you another hairstyle. First you just have to take some of the hair, convert it into the braid and decorate with a fancy pin. Another hairstyle is very simple. Tie up the hair and then give it an internal twist. Then make a 2D, which is two classical braids are to be made, and it's in a crisscross manner. Fix them at the proper position. It looks quite easy and quite nice. Let's have a look for the another hairstyle. First make a high ponytail, and after that you just have to take some of the hair and try to build this fishtail. It's very simple and it's very easy. I know you will be able to perform it well. Once your fishtail is ready, again tie it up using another rubber band. Loosen the each strand so that it will add up volume. Let's have a look for this type of the hairstyle. First you just have to take the two different hair strands from both the ends and fix them at the proper position using the rubber band. Give them the internal twist. The rest of the hair is again tied up, and you make use of another rubber band and fix it into this heart shaped Juda. Let's move towards another type of the hairstyle. Just tie up the hair at the bottom and in a circular motion and a twisty look you can create this type of the bun. This is very simple and very easy. You can definitely give it a try. Another hairstyle is best suitable for the medium length hair. You just have to take some hair, convert it into the braid at the center portion. Rest of the hair is tied up. Again, you have to make another braid and roll it into the Juda. Let's have a look for this type of the hairstyle. First, you just have to take more than half portion of the hair, tie it up as shown here in the Juda. The rest of the hair from the ends is to be fixed with the Juda that we have created, or we can say a bun, and then fix it at the proper position. Let's have a look for this type of the hairstyle. First make a high ponytail and convert it into the bun using the another rubber band as you can see on your screen. You can just pause the video if you will get confused. After that, fix it at the proper position using another hairpin. It looks quite easy. This hairstyle is the simplest of the all. With the help of your fingers, you can create this twisty bun and decorate it with this fancy pin. Let's have a look for the another hairstyle. It's very simple, all mixture of the rubber bands. Thank you.